Exercise 22. A researcher models the population of a rare bird species. The function p models the number of birds, so p stands for the number of birds, t years after 1960. So t is the years after 1960. So this means that if t is 0, we are exactly in year 1960 because we will be 0 years after 1960. When t is 1, we are in year 1961, which is 1 year after 1960, and so on. Which of the following best describes the number 2400? We know from theory that an exponential model is always expressed in this form: a times r to the power of t. The a0, which in this case is the 2400s, shows the initial value of y when t is 0. So this is exactly what that means here. 2400 is the value of p when t is 0. So let's now use the given context. It's the value of p, so the number of birds. So it means number of birds 0 years after 1960, which is none other than 1960 itself. So 2400 is the number of birds in the year 1960, which is A.